Hey everyone. Now, like many Windows users out there, I'm always on the look for ways to supercharge my productivity. So I found this tool called Command Palette. No lie, this tool quickly became my best friend in this regard. It has fully transformed the way I interact with Windows, providing me with lightning fast access to the tools that I need. It literally turned me into a power user overnight, and it can do the same for you. Just let me show you how. Okay, let's be real for a minute. Windows is quite powerful, but I'd be lying if I said it's fast to get things done. Honestly, you're always digging through menus, control panel, search, and most of the time you don't even know where the stuff is. Well, what if you could skip all that? What if you could skip all that by just hitting a key and run any command, app, run any setting or script? This right here is Command Palette. It's a utility that builds upon the foundation of PowerToys, and honestly, it makes using Windows kinda feel like Linux without the pain. Now, Command Palette's main job on your system is to help you find what you need without having to navigate several menus. This kind of simplicity really favors power users, but the crazy part is most power users, at least those that I know, don't even use it. Anyway, installation of Command Palette is quite easy. All you have to do is visit the Microsoft Store or the official GitHub repository and install PowerToys first. If you already have PowerToys installed, make sure it's the latest version. Next up, open PowerToys, expand the system tools right here in the left side. Select Command Palette from the list and toggle on the enable option. Command Palette will now run in the background. You can launch it by simply pressing the key combination shortcut of Windows Alt space. This works quite well for me, but you can edit that in the settings. Now, I don't use all Command Palette's features, and honestly, if you asked, I haven't explored them all, but a few stood out for me. I usually launch developer tools with it, I restart apps that bug out, all without touching the mouse, by the way. It just speeds up all the boring stuff. When searching for an app, Command Palette really provides quick results, almost instant compared to the Windows search or Explorer search. All you have to do is type the name of the item you need looked up in the search box. Now double click it in the results to open it. There's also this option to bookmark your favorite files or folders, so you don't have to click around so much just to access them. Double click the add bookmark option. Now enter the name of the bookmark, enter the file path of the item, then click save. Now your file will be accessible by just hitting Windows Alt space. You'll find it under this list. You can also run system commands, you can easily start a web search. It's really a lot you can do with Command Palette. So if you ever feel interested, don't overthink it. Just download PowerToys from the Microsoft Store or visit the official GitHub repository, turn this thing on and start moving like you own the system. It's an easy tool to explore, by the way. You may just find some really cool extension that could turn you into more of a power user. Folks, that's it all for today. Share your ideas in the comment section, subscribe and ring the bell if you're interested in more videos like this, and until next time, this is Tech with Bernard.